What's going on, Pro Cutters? Live from the Tennessee Tiny Homestead. And not really live, I'm recording this for a later date, but it'll be soon. So what we've got here today is something I've been wanting to pick up for a while now, and Ryan Angleton did a video a week or so ago where he put his to the test and made a Aussie damper. So that kind of prompted me to get off of my duff and go ahead and head out to Rural King and get myself a Lodge 10-inch Dutch oven, camp cooker, whatever you like to call it, so I can go ahead and make that Aussie damper myself and try it out, along with a bunch of other things I'm sure coming up. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. We've got the 10-inch 4-quart Lodge cast iron, made in America since 1896, right here in Tennessee, as a matter of fact, Pittsburg, Tennessee. Not 100% sure where that is, but we've got some Lodge stores here local to me, and I've been in them, but I got a better deal at the Rural King, and so that's where I got mine. So as you can see, it's a true unboxing. I haven't been into this yet. Of course, there's not much to it. Pull this out, and we've got our 4-quart 10-inch Dutch oven, and it's got legs on the bottom of it so it can set up over your coals. We've also got our lid, and as Ryan mentioned in his video, I like the kind of lid that has the lip so it holds the coals in place over the top of it. And that's what makes it a Dutch oven, because not only are you getting heat from underneath, but you're getting heat on top as well, and that hot air is circulating around your meal or bread or whatever it is that you're cooking. So another thing that was included with this is Camp Dutch Oven Cooking 101. So there looks to be quite a few different recipes in here, and care and maintenance of your Dutch oven. So we'll be trying some of these in the future. Look forward to it. So there you have it, the Lodge 10-inch or 4-quart Dutch oven, camp cooker, different names for it. Now what I did get from the Lodge store is this camp cooker accessory handle, and what this is used for is, you can hook your cooker and place it on and off of the fire. That way you're not burning your hand or anything. And then also it allows you to lift your lid up. So there you go. This looks like something that Ken could make in his Maple Leaf Forge. Have a great day. Alright guys, so I've got a bed of coals laid out. I've got my damper ready, got my lid hook.